Hi all. Today we'll see about one of the custom application built in Salesforce called as Restaurant Management System. So this application is built specifically for the newcomers in Salesforce who want to learn Salesforce and get hands-on in LWC components. They can try out this application. So as you can see in the screen, there are two components in this application. On the left-hand side, you can create an order by entering the customer name, customer mobile, booking instructions, and the toggle to switch from vegetarian to non-vegetarian, and they can select the item quantity and the price will be auto pre-populated here. And on order creation, there is another component on the right hand side. You can see this is an basically it's like an order tracking. So here it can show the order number, status, any cooking instructions, what are all the items included in this order, and there is also an actions where we can update the status of the order. And this order status order tracking system, it basically shows all the orders, what are the status of it, so it's much more real time here. For example, if I say in this page itself, if I create an order itself, this page will be auto refreshed immediately and the order will be showed up immediately here. So instead of manually refreshing the page, the component will automatically show that order. And apart from this, going to the technical details, we created two custom objects here. One is order and the item. So basically, all the orders which created will be showed in this order object. And items are nothing but the items which are shown in the menu card or what are all the available. All these things will be shown in the items object. And you can see a button called as menu card here. So basically, if I click on this menu card, you can see a QR code here. So if I scan this QR code, you will be navigated to this URL. So basically, I'm navigating you to the site URL. So this is one of the public site which I created. And when you scan this QR code, you will be navigated to this site URL. And this is how the UI looks actually if you navigate to that URL. So this is a menu. This is a menu card where customer can scan this QR code and they'll be navigated to this public site and they can review this menu and place just inform the restaurant staff. So based on the item selection, they can create an order for us. And they can also, customers can also track the orders from this real-time dashboard, real-time order status tracking here. So if I go to this menu card, you can see it has been separated with the categories like non-vegetarians and vegetarian, and it um, separated with subtypes as well, like starters, main course, desserts, etc. All these things. Now I'm gonna create an order now. So what I'll do is I'll simply go to this create orders tab here. So for the customer name, I'll enter Varun, and you can enter some customer mobile, and you can see here these are all the items. I can search for items here. These are all the items which I created in the items object. So basically there is a toggle as well where we can switch to vegetarian, and you can see only one option available here now. And if I uncheck this, you can see these are the options, these are the items available now. And so basically what happens there is I'm going to select one item, one food item, and you can see the price is populated from the items object, items record. And I can also select another item and I'll change the quantity here. And if you see the quantity, if the quantity is got changed, the price is also getting changed and the total price is also getting updated here. So here we have two options. One is confirm and print and confirm. So I'll simply click on this confirm button and you can see order placed, and you can see another toast message, new order placed. So on the right hand side component, I didn't do any refresh. It's a real time thing where the component is auto refreshed, and you can see this is the order which we placed just now, and these are the items which is selected. And here also we have an option to update the status of this order from place. Right now, the initially once the order is placed, the status will be placed itself. And here I can update the order. If the chef started preparing the order, they can simply update the order status to preparing, and once the order is delivered, they can simply update the status of the order to delivered. Thanks for watching.